I'm Chef Carol NYC, and today I'm going to make keto butter rum brownies. I found this recipe at ibreatheimhungry.com. It looks delicious, and I need a little something sweet in the house, so let's get to it. I have preheated my oven to 375 degrees, and I have the following ingredients. I have a half a cup of melted butter, a half a cup of swerve brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of rum extract, 2 cups of almond flour, a tablespoon of psyllium husk, that's to tenderize the bread. I have a third of a cup of chopped pecans, and because I like chocolate, I'm adding a third of a cup of 0 sugar Hershey's chocolate bits. So I'm going to combine all of the ingredients into the bowl except for the nuts and the chocolate bits. And I'm going to use the paddle attachment to my KitchenAid. So I'm going to mix it until the ingredients are just combined. Over mixing might make the cake a little bit tough. And who wants a tough brownie when you're in the mood for a delicious brownie? I'm going to stir in the walnuts and the chocolate chips. My oven is ready. I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes. Then it has to cool for an additional 30 minutes. And I'll see you back here. My blondies are fresh out of the oven. I have been calling them brownies out of a habit of using this type of a dessert as a brownie, but they really are blondies. It's golden brown. My house smells delicious, so I'm hoping that the brownies will be as delicious as the house smells. They need 30 minutes to cool before I cut them. I'm looking forward to it. See you back here. The blondies have cooled completely, and I think you get about 9 cubes. Well, the brownie has a nice rise to it. I can see my nuts and the chocolate chips. For just a little taste. It has just the right amount of crunch, the right amount of softness on the inside, and I think you're really going to enjoy this. Let me know. Bon appetit.